Welcome to AMS Poland.
As a leader in the talent outsourcing and consulting industry worldwide, AMS has a proud history in Poland that began in 2005. We started modestly, serving just 2 clients with a team of 5 employees. Today, we have grown into a mature, multidisciplinary centre with strong footholds in Kraków and Gdańsk. Our commitment to excellence has been recognised with numerous industry awards, including the prestigious Investor in Human Capital Award, Employer of the Year in the RPO sector and the Foreigner-Friendly Employer. Our Kraków family has grown to nearly 900 of the over 1,700 employees in Poland, providing a wide array of services to over 80 clients globally, including Deloitte, Barclays, BP and Renault. Engaged, inclusive and passionate, our colleagues across Poland come from every walk of life and all have one thing in common: a real passion for talent and making a difference. Our new office is not just a place to work, it's a thriving community where innovation and collaboration come to life. It's a place where meaningful connections are fostered, career development opportunities flourish, and valuable contributions are celebrated at all levels. Every corner is thoughtfully designed to inspire creativity and foster a sense of belonging, making it the perfect place for our modern workforce to excel. Welcome to AMS, where talent is our world.